हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर योर स्टडीज गोइंग ऑन? कैसी पढ़ाई चल रही है? ओलंपियाड के क्वेश्चंस कैसे लग रहे हैं? इज इट वेरी टफ? कोई बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, ओनली दैट यू स्किल इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड सम प्रैक्टिस. Both the things you have to do. There is no shortcut of this practices, effort, whatever you have to apply, effort, whatever is required amount of effort is there, that is to be done. अगर जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो यू कैनॉट गेट सक्सेस. यू हैव टू अप्लाई एफर्ट. सो in this question, what is that? We have to find what is the value of this. Half into a plus b plus c into bracket a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. How will we find it? Let us see this. Let's write first. Where should I write? Should I write here? Half into a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square, then bracket closed. So first let us simplify this one. इसको simplify करते हैं. a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is equal to how much? A square minus 2ab plus b square. ये क्या होगा? b square plus not plus minus 2bc plus c square. Then similarly c square minus 2ca plus a square. Okay. So what you are finding here? This 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. And this a square is what? 2 times. Huh? B square also 2 times. This and c square also 2 times. So let us summarize it. So it is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. You take 2 common. What is that? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And now let us multiply. In the main expression, let's come to that. So what will happen to this? 1 by 2 into a plus b plus c into 2 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. तो ये 2 कट जाएगा. And what is this value? A plus b plus c into a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What is that? This equal to what? This is equal to nothing but a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is already proved earlier. So you have to remember this. If you want that also I can prove it. How has it happened? So this is the answer. So B is the answer. So it was not a big, very complicated. You cannot say like that. It expression is very long. It looks complex, but little bit of brain and little bit of your skill make, made it very easy. Next question. A bag contains 24 eggs, out of which 8 are rotten. The remaining eggs are not rotten. 2 eggs are selected at random. What is the probability that one of the eggs is rotten? It is a probability. Probability, you know, In a coin, when you toss it, either you get head or tail. What is the probability of getting head? So what is the favorable outcome? That is one head. And what are the total outcome? Head and tail 2. So probability is 1 by 2. Similarly, here what we have to see, that what is the probability that one of the x is rotten. So what are the possibility? See, let us write the question that 24 eggs are there. Total eggs how much? 24. And how many are rotten? Rotten are 8. And not rotten how much? 24 minus 8 is 16. So directly if you find, try to find what is the probability of getting rotten egg by randomly selecting that is little difficult. Why? Two times you are picking and each time there is probability. So what are the chances? There could be uh, both rotten, isn't it? Both the time you are picking out and both the time it is rotten. You are finding rotten. Or one rotten and then one unrotten or not rotten. Okay? Or two unrotten. Now one rotten, unrotten, this another one chance is also there, that one unrotten, first time unrotten and second time one rotten. So two possibilities it is. You cannot say one. First time rotten, then second time unrotten. Or first time unrotten, then second time rotten. So there are so many possibilities. So finding out it is little difficult. So what is the best way to find out? What are the chances of getting unrotten egg? You find out and just deduct it from one. Whatever the total outcome is there, the probability of each of the outcome, if you add all, it will be 1. This is the thumb rule. So, now let us find what is the possibility of getting unrotten both the times. Okay? So, when you are first pickup, when you are picking the first time, what is that happening? How many? How many unrotten are there? The probability of unrotten? Favorable outcome divided by total outcome. तो फेवरेबल कितना होगा? 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 16 है ना अनरॉटन, तो 16 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल आउटकम इज 24. So this is 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. This is 2 by 3. And after that, how many are left? 23 eggs. And what are the favorable outcome? Out of 16, one you have taken out. So only 15 favorable are there. Then in the second pickup, second chance, what will happen? Of unrotten? Yes, unrotten. So uh, once, suppose you have already picked unrotten. So how many are left? 15. So here you will write 15 favorable outcome and divided by total, out of 24, one you have taken also 23 only. So after doing the first one only you are coming to second, because both the time I am expecting that unrotten should come. So total probability of unrotten, of taking out unrotten egg, is equal to first 2 by 3, because after doing this only the next one you are doing. It is related to each other. So 2 by 3 into 15 by 23. How much? 3, 5 ja 15. So 10 by 23. Now, what is the probability of getting rotten eggs? तो rotten eggs का probability क्या होगा? Probability of getting rotten eggs is equal to 1 minus 10 by 23 is equal to 23 minus 10 divided by 23. So it is equal to what? Is equal to 13 by 23. See, my pen is not working. So this is the answer. 13 by 23. Which option is here? This one is 20, 13 by 23. C. So C is the answer. So in this also what happened? You have to utilize your skill. If you have practiced this kind of questions, you can answer it. See, directly what happens after seeing the problem, you are going to find out the rotten eggs. But what here I have given you that trick, you go to unrotten. You find out what is the probability of getting unrotten eggs picked up both the times, and you minus it, deduct it from 1, you will get the at least one rotten egg of का probability कितना है. What is the probability of getting unrotten? By deducting the probability of rotten eggs, unrotten eggs from 1, isn't it? So this is the way, the trick. You, I think you must have understood. समझ में आई होगी बात, है ना? डायरेक्टली आप रॉटन एग का नहीं निकाल करके पहले अनरॉटन का निकाला और उसके बाद उसको 1 में माइनस कर दिया, isn't it? So how was the session? Did you like it? Please write in the comment box and like, subscribe, share everything you do. Then only it will motivate me to bring you some more classes.